Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire refrigerator light bulb socket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new light bulb socket. The light bulb socket is where the light bulb screws into. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the light bulb's not coming on when you open the door. There's a light bulb socket located on each side of the refrigerator. The one in the fresh food section is located right here. All you have to do is pop it out to change it. The freezer one is located behind the dispenser assembly. We're going to show you how to do that one because it's more involved. To get the light bulb socket in the freezer, we have to remove the bucket assembly. All you have to do is lift up on it and pull it out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Now that we have the bucket out of the way, we can reach back underneath the dispenser motor assembly and disconnect the wiring harness. Wiggle the connector so it disconnects. To get the assembly out, we have to remove these two screws that hold it in. We're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to take them out. Now that we have the screws out, we can reach in and take the dispenser motor assembly out. Be careful, it's kind of heavy. All you have to do is lift up on it so it comes off the brackets in the back, and then you can pull it out of the freezer. Now that we have the assembly out, we're going to set it on a table with a blanket on it to protect it. And we're going to take the light bulb out. It's just a regular light bulb. All you have to do is unscrew it counterclockwise and set it aside. Then we can release the light bulb socket. It's held in by these locking tabs. All we have to do is reach in and press on it with the screwdriver. On the fresh food side, there's a little slot that you have to reach up through. Then you can press this tab and release the light socket. Once you have the light bulb socket out, we can grab a needle nose pliers and carefully remove the wires. The terminals are different sizes, so you don't have to worry about mixing up the wires. Once you have the wires disconnected, you can pull the light bulb socket off the assembly. Here's the old light bulb socket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new light bulb socket in, we're going to connect the wires. We're going to connect the yellow one to the small terminal and the white one to the large terminal. I want to make sure these go on all the way so you get a good connection. Once you have them both on, we can snap it into the frame. We're just going to put the lower half in first and then lift the upper half in so it snaps in. Once you have it in, we can put the light bulb back in. All you have to do is screw it in clockwise until it tightens up. Once you have the light bulb in, we can put the assembly back into the freezer. To put the dispenser motor assembly back in, all you have to do is feed it back into the freezer, line it up on its mounting spot, and set it down. Once you have it back in place, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in. Now that we have the screws in, we can reconnect the wiring harness. All you have to do is reach back and reconnect it. You want to make sure it goes on all the way so you get a good connection. Once you have it reconnected, we can put the ice bucket back in. All you have to do is set it onto the rails and push it all the way back in. Once you have it in, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.